today it's gonna be a really interesting video because I'm gonna be pranking Elida, and I'm gonna be pranking her with the honk at me prank, and she really doesn't like being bothered. So right now I already have everything I'm gonna use. My sister's over there washing, cleaning her car, so let me go show her. Okay guys, so she is right there, as you can see her cleaning her car. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm back. How I was saying, I have all my stuff here, as you can see right here. I have everything ready to prank her, and I need to do this really quick because I do not know when she's gonna be done cleaning her car. She does take time, but like not that much, so like I don't know how much time I need to be like taking, so I don't know what to say. Guys, I'm about to write it, but I do not know what to write. I know I'm gonna put honk, but like what about the rest?
6.5 hours later.
Oh, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna put honk to get sister mad, because I don't know if it would fit if I put honk to get my sister mad. So I'm gonna put honk to get sister mad. Okay, so let's go. Just a warning guys, I write ugly. If it's not pencil, mechanical pencil, I write ugly. So I ended up using a black because it was kind of light and it wasn't kind of working, so I used the black one so it can like pop out more. So I have to go see what Elida's doing so I can put it on her car. Okay guys, so I'm done. So now we have to put in her car. I just have to get the perfect opportunity when she gets in, because how I said she's cleaning her car. So whenever she gets in, I'm gonna go run outside and put it on her car. And this is gonna be a good opportunity because we're gonna go to the store to buy things for future videos. So this is the only opportunity I have for this prank. Oh my god, I love pranks. So this is a sign. I know it's kind of ugly, but like okay, so like let's go. Oh god, I'm so excited. I just put it on. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous, but let's go when my sister gets back. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
Like a honk. We're still over this way. You know how to get over there?
I really know how to get to Slaughter.
Wait, so do you know how to get to Slaughter or no?
Yes. Oh my god.
What? Like you're the one who's spinning up, not me. Isn't this like the second one?
Yeah.
Or am I just hearing things?
The second one.
Like, what's going on? Okay, maybe it wasn't even for me. Because the other one you didn't even hear it, so maybe it wasn't even for me.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I was scared. I was like, they stopped me. But no one's saying because look, you see it in the back? You get in here. He honks.
Oh my god. That's another one?
Why did he honk at me? Why are they honking at me?
I don't know.
And that guy looked at me too. Because I was like, that guy looked at me too.
Come on, chill out. They're just looking at you. They're not doing anything.
Well, that other guy, he honked and he looked at me. I'm not doing anything. I had to move because the ambulance is behind me. What are you doing? I don't know why I'm feeling like shaky. Like,
me too. I'm getting like, I don't know.
isn't it right here? Does that say Riverfit? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's right there. I need to go over there. But I don't want to get in front of people's
flecha at the time. Like whenever you're about to do it.
Well, yeah, because then they're not gonna let me go in. Haven't you learned from? Is it right here? No. Haven't you learned from Familia Peluche? You have to brake right at. I mean, not brake, but you have to put your signal right at the moment. Then they don't let you in.
Girl, that was just a joke for me.
No, but that's true though. Like if you put the directional, like they're not gonna let you in. I don't really like driving here because it's like crazy.
Oh my god.
Why do they keep honking?
They really got into that honk. Oh my god.
Why are you honking? You wanna honk? You wanna honk? I can honk too.
Chill out.
I'm driving. Was it you? It was you, right? Why are you laughing? It's not funny.
Good.
I was even about to crash last time because somebody, you know, I'm gonna move away from this. So I think it was that girl, and I don't even want to eat anymore.
Alright. Let's just go.
Where did that truck go? They left, right?
The one that honked at you?
Yeah.
I don't know. It was a van.
It was a van?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was a truck. So I honked at the wrong one. Did somebody just honk again? Or did I just hear that?
I think it was right there.
I'm just hearing honks.
Yeah.
Like, there's like the 5th people that honk.
You're going cuckoo, Lida.
I'm serious. What? Why are you honking? It's the red light. I can't move. Y'all need to stop honking. Seriously, like honk. I can honk too. You stop. Can't go right now. Oh my god. This truck was about to crash into us. I'm just getting mad. Like this guy was about to crash. 2 people honked at me. And like there's a red light. I cannot move. What do you want me to do?
Let's go home.
You know, I'm just gonna. What was that?
I think it was this guy. He's laughing.
What was it? What was it? Just getting me mad. Like, you saw it, right? I was in the red light.
Yeah.
Can't move.
Or maybe because it was like those twitching lights that don't work.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What's so funny? Something funny? You honked at me twice. Twice. Why are there so many red lights? I want to get out of here.
It's not our day. It's not your day.
I need to get out. Well, yeah, because they just keep honking at me for no reason. Like, what, is this guy gonna honk too? Why are you honking? Why are you honking? Why is she laughing? What's so funny? Oh my god, why are they honking? And she was laughing. Did you see her laughing?
Yeah.
She was like, like, what is that? I'm getting mad. You know what? I'm not even gonna go. I was gonna go to the store. I'm not gonna go to the store anymore. I'm just gonna go get my food and go home because these people are being so rude. Like, why? Like, what am I doing that I'm doing wrong? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Why are they honking though? Like, we're in traffic. I can't move. I can't move. I just want to get home. Alright, I'm just kidding. What, are you gonna honk too? Are you gonna honk? Better honk now. What? Why are you getting in front of me, huh? You need to put your light? Everyone's driving crazy today, honking at me, getting in front of me, almost crashing into me. What's next? Man, what is next? I went to take my test, right? And then whenever... Why are they honking? Why are you honking? You better stop honking, like for real. Why are you honking? Tell me why you're honking. I'm not even playing no more. You heard that?
Yeah.
So mad. It was this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
It was this one? Why are you honking, huh? Why are you honking, huh?
Oh my gosh, stop.
There she honks. It was a lady, right?
Yeah.
Why? That was, like, I'm mad, but that was funny. Like, the way she honked back.
Yes.
Oh my god, I can't with these people. She honked at me. Now she wants to honk back. Like, girl, this isn't a game. I don't know what's so funny. Putting my light before they tell me. So glad I'm out of those.
Elida, I'll show you something.
What?
One.
What?
Look.
Kelly.
Did I get you?
No
sorry.
wonder. How did I not see that from the back? Wait, I can't see it from the back?
No.
You got me, Kelly. You got me.
Got you.
When did you do that?
Whenever you were cleaning out your car.
But I was cleaning my car. How did you do that? How did
Yeah.
I not see you?
Oh, I did a sign while you were cleaning your car. When you went inside, I put the paper. Want to take it off, or do you want to take it off? or-
Yes, I'm gonna take this off. No wonder. Everyone, like, seriously, guys, everybody was looking at me and laughing. Like, they would be like this, and they would be like, and I'd be like, what's so funny? At the beginning, I was like, maybe they're not even honking at me, but then it started, I started hearing it like over and over again.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, that's definitely for me. And then whenever it was, when they honked twice, remember?
Oh,
They
yeah.
honked like 1, 2, and then I was like, why did they honk twice? Like, I'm on the red light. Like, what do you want me to do? I can't crash this person. And then I saw the guy, and Kelly told me like, oh, they're laughing, and I'm like, what's so funny? Like, well, this is funny. This is funny. I'm gonna get you back, Kelly. I'm gonna get you back.
No, you're not. No, you're
Yes.
not. No, you're not.
That was. Did I mess up my lipstick? That was so. That's kind of embarrassing.
I know it was embarrassing for me.
Yeah. Wait, and yeah, how did you record me?
Right here. I had the phone right here.
No wonder. I was looking at it, but I didn't know, like, you just had it on your lap, so I was like, oh, like, whatever.
Yeah.
So I didn't think you were recording. Oh my god. But we had to leave, guys, because there was a lot of guys out there, and like, we had to leave. But I still cannot believe you did that. Like, I still have it right here. Like, I was just getting so mad because they kept honking at me, and I'm just like, I'm not doing anything wrong. Like, why are you honking? But now it all makes sense. I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna get you back.
I don't think so.
I am.
I don't think so.
And you know what? I actually wanted to prank you, but now you gave me more of a motive to prank you. So be out on the lookout.
Nobody can prank the prank master. I won't prank you back. If you prank me back, I won't prank you back.
Honestly, she's like good at pranks or whatever. But...
This was like a little prank.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
This was a little prank?
Yeah.
I almost crashed over there for getting mad at the one guy.
Not bad. Like what happened? I meant the prank.
Oh.
Anyway, guys, I got her right
No, she
now.
didn't.
So we just got some food and we're just gonna go back to the house since she's mad over here.
Don't talk to me.
So she says every single time, and I talk to her and she goes right into my tramp. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications to get notified when we post a new video. And give this a thumbs up if you like this video, because I pranked her. She doesn't like to get pranked, so I really like this prank because she reacted good. Anyways, guys, comment down below what other videos you want to see. Hope you guys enjoyed her reactions, because I didn't even know how to react whenever she was getting mad. So I really enjoyed her reactions. Whenever she was like getting mad, I was like over here like, oh my god.
Yeah, and I saw her laughing, so I was like, why is she laughing too, And she was just like, oh, it's funny because you're laughing, I'm like, I mean, I guess. But now I know why you were laughing. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye. Oh, guys, and before I forget, shout out to the people that honked to her, because without y'all honking on her, this video would have been successful. So thank you, and if y'all ever see our video, shout out to you. Y'all the real ones, guys. Peace out.